These are the curry leaves you were talking about last week. These are the curry leaves. That's how the name originated, the curry, from the leaves, because these are very aromatic and we use in almost every dish, whether vegetarian or non-vegetarian. This gives the curry powder and various other names. Yeah. But the cook uses, and in every kitchen, every mother uses knows how to use them in a very distinct way for each distinct dish. Yes.
So we're making chicken curry. We're starting with some olive oil, not too much.
Different powders, coriander powder, all the spices that are in there, cumin seeds, and cinnamon, cloves, fenugreek, all those seeds. I roasted them and I ground them. That's one way, and these are various powders you can get them, and you can roast those powders and then make them like this. So I use various different ways.
This is called masala, and it is a blending of herbs and spices. It can also be called curry powder.
Curry powder first. There's a little bit of salt and curry powder.
And Kris made her own masala here. She roasted the spices, then she ground them, and then she combined them in her own special recipe. More oil if necessary.
The purpose of the oil here is it conducts the heat at a higher temperature. So I want to coat each and every piece with oil.
So the idea is to have enough oil so that you coat every piece of the chicken with your oil. It will cook better and faster. You can cover your chicken while it is cooking.
Cumin and mustard seeds there.
Is that mustard seed?
Mustard and cumin together.
Okay.
And then I'm adding a few of these cinnamon. And then I roasted these already. Cloves, curry powder. And then I'm cooking them on medium heat. And then in another stove, I'm frying a little bit of the cinnamon bark and all the other spices, whole spices in other words. These are cloves, cinnamon bark, and cumin seeds and all that. And I'm roasting them a little bit, and then I'm going to fry my onions and all that with that. And more, and I grind them in the food processor and keep them either in the ice cube trays or in the thing like this. It's kind of still, put them in the freezer, and whenever I need, and I keep them in the refrigerator, and then, if they're still.
This is a ginger paste with green chilies in it. And you could freeze this.
Therefore, it gives some water to cook. There's a little bit of physics, chemistry involved in the cooking.
And then to the tikka, you're adding your onions, also some green pepper and tomato.
We add to that. I'm roasting them a little bit, that way they will stay a little firm.
This is homegrown turmeric from India, from Kris's family.
It's curry powder. So you're at home. And I got them, so I'm going to grind them a little bit. So I'm going to put
What are you putting in there?
this is cinnamon and cloves there, and the major heaps. That's cinnamon. I put coriander, fenugreek or menthe seeds, roasted already. Just a pinch of them, not too much.
You called them
Jeera is called cumin. Cumin is jeera. These are all. And then I even had, I'm not going to put red pepper, even though, yeah. And this is cardamom.
Spices for her curry that she blended, that Kris made from her spices that she roasted. And she just blended them and ground them. And now Kris is adding some of her freshly ground spices, which she calls curry powder or garam masala. And she roasted her spices before she ground them. She's adding a little bit of red chili powder to spice things up a bit. These are fresh curry leaves. Here we have cilantro and chopped curry leaves. Kris's secret, she's adding some pico de gallo, which is basically tomato, onion, cilantro, and there's no reason you can't because you have all of those ingredients in your Indian food anyway. Always add your tomatoes at the end because they are full of liquid. Add salt to taste. Adding our chopped curry leaves, and these are fresh curry leaves.
At the beginning, curry leaves. Oh, now she's roasting curry leaves.
Yeah.
Just a little bit.
And it brings
a
out
little
the
oil,
flavor.
we'll fry them a little bit in a little oil. It brings out the flavor.
So now we're basically making a terka. We have our oil and we have our chopped curry leaves, and that really brings out the flavor. Now we're adding our curry leaves that were roasted in some oil to bring out the flavor.
So it gives a, different taste to it. You can eat even at this level without anything, but then coconut is the typical Indian thing again.
We're adding our cilantro. Our curry's finished, and we're just going to let it kind of wilt down.